Okay, the link is up.
Yes. I mean, we can just start. I don't care, but
Okay.
we can talk like make everything working perfect for 7 minutes, and then we will just start real.
Okay.
I don't care. So
Yeah.
we can attract more people now.
Yeah, I'll start sharing it.
Yeah.
Some people already joined, I think.
Yeah, of course. I mean, if there's like this type of hero is coming out, everyone should listen what he want to say. I mean, the opportunity is for grab. So if you can grab that opportunity, then that's the opportunity. Otherwise, this guy, I asked him, what do you want? He kind of wanted me to do something, you know. I said, yo, are you serious? This is gonna be very dangerous for you, dangerous for me. But we are just as believers. We opened this already. We cannot. There's no reason we don't do it. We're definitely gonna help you out. Anything. And he said, yes, that's what I want. Then what are you gonna do, right? Assalomu alaykum qarindoshlar. Ovozim yaxshi chiqib atgan bo'lsa, gap qo'ytinglar. Jiddiy mobilning vaqti azma telefonning to'ki tugab bu ishlar bo'lib ketdi. Hozir mana bayam to'kamni tijayma bu degan tunda sen chiqibdi. Men hamma narsa tanishib olgandan keyin paran qilaylik bu deb. Assalomu alaykum qarindoshlar. Ovozim yaxshi chiqib atgan bo'lsa, gap qo'ytinglar. Jiddiy mobilning vaqti azma telefonning to'ki tugab bu ishlar bo'lib ketdi. I don't know where it's coming out. Bayam to'kamni tijayma bu degan tunda sen chiqibdi. Men hamma narsa tanishib olgan.
I can hear it.
So my voice is good.
Yeah.
Yaxshi. Tarqitib qo'ying, Guli Maqsud mobilning vaqti qisqan to'q shunlashqa işte gap qilsa aka bizga yurak so'zlar bor o'xshaydi. Men har qanday savol so'rasam bo'lamdi desam bo'ladi dedi. Unda bo'lsa jinoni alqonga olib qo'ydingmi? Bir ish
I can hear it.
Ayamo seni chaqchaq qilma juma agar men live stream qilsam bu desam yo'q men bu dedi. Unda bo'lsa qisqan to'q shunlashqa yaraysa fikam bu deb. Gap qilsa aka bizga yurak so'zlar. Başta albatta Uyg'urcha tushuntirib hamma ishni aydin qilib ondan keyin boshqa qarindoshlarga bak inglizcha men ag'inam o'zi intervyu berdi. Shunlashqa ayamo seni men serious ish men Uyg'urimizni aram bir shunday bir faxrimiz chiqqan vaqtida fursatni qo'ldan bersak bo'lmaydi. Bu hammamizga foydali ish. Tushuntirib hamma ishni aydin chiqadi mening ovozim endi. Mana tarqitib qo'ying qap bo'lmay. Men shu kallam kirvilib undan keyin bu balning ashunda bir niyati bor qarsam vaqt qista buning. Fikam qanday qilmasam sen ishda intervyu qilaymi seni har qanday savollarga javob beramsan maylimi desam mayli bu dedi. Shunda olgandan keyin qanday qilamiz? Chaqan tarqitib qo'yaylik mana. Bu balning jiddiy vaqtidan chaqqan foydalanib, obdan foydalanib, shu meni izlab bu qilganga tushloq, men bir ish qilsam bo'ladi, men yerda chatga chiqib olib, o'shunda qarindoshlarga yordam qilmasak kimga yordam qilamiz, shundaqmi qarindoshlar? Bu ekranga mening mana ovozim, mana yozgan xitinglar chiqsa bek yaxshi bo'ladi. O'tganda chiqayotgan, yana chiqmaydigan bu OBSning mana shijiqga bekorligini ishlatayotgan. Tölse valla xuluq qildi. Shunda chiroyli qo'ydi-da bu OBS'ni. Shu bu obdan bilaylik buni boshda bir tushunaylik, yaxshi o'ylabsiz. Bu bani tashviq qilib endi bir foydalansak foydalandik. Mana shunda qahramonlarimiz agar ras qahramon bo'lib qolsa qanday qilamiz? Yana Ablaxonga deb o'tiramdi. Shundaqmi? Nurg'ullarimizni quloq qo'shaqmasligi mumkin ammo Biroq hamda xo'shaqmisimi davrdigan vaqt keldi. Bu balni hech qanday quloq xo'shaqmaqda gap qilmay yetibdi. Bu bala ko'p o'ylashiyor, 5 yil o'ylashdim deydi-ku, 5 yilning ichida shunda oxir men so'zlash keldimda ras bo'lib qolsa, hammamiz ras deb o'ylaylik boshda. Tayyor bo'ldinglarmi qarindoshlar? 2 minutdan keyin chiqdi bala, ha? Jerry, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see. Jerry, now what's what I'm like? Jerry, can you just turn on your camera? I just want to test last time. One more time. Yes, that's good. And when he joined, like, I think, Jerry, could you just talk a little bit? I want to test your voice as well.
Yeah. Is that clear?
Ovoz yaxshi chiqyaptimi qarindoshlar? Did you share on everywhere? Jerry, did you share on everywhere?
I mean, okay, I'm not, so I can talk, but I have to go on YouTube to check
go
if it
ahead.
comes out.
YouTube, yeah,
Okay.
I already
Okay.
shared. Let's just more and more people join, and in 1 minute, I think he will join in 1 minute. I told him when he
Okay.
came, and you can just do it, okay? Shu qarindoshlar shunchalik ish. Bu bala bu yerga ishlab gap qilgan uni oldida endi qil Davidda hamishlar endi qo'yib kelsa atdigami bir munch har taymada so'zda aytibdimi o'zim tutamay so'zlaganga tushloq ham.
Did you stop the stream?
No, it's not coming up. What do you mean?
It ends.
Really? Maybe someone else doing some shit to us. I don't know. On my side, it's working pretty well.
Okay, now it's back.
Oh,
Okay.
it's back.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. So I wish that fucking like a chatting section can show up on the. Okay, I will make it this way. So if it doesn't show up, then I'll just put on the side of it. If you think, I want other people to see what's going on as well, chatting or everything. So he might join very soon. Yani sel ta'xir qilib turinglar, birdan odam tushibdi. Yani sel ta'xir qilib turinglar, hozir kirdi vaqtcha. Why is the chatting section doesn't coming out from that's pissing me off. But yeah, tuzak tayyorlik qilamadim-ku buningga. 2 soat 1 soatning ichida vala xuloq o'tib ketdi. Shunlashqa gaplarni o'ngshab qilamay qilishim mumkin, biroq hamda kirsun abala. Yeah, you can call him, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, just call him like you can be here. Yeah, it's okay. I don't care. I'll just put screen just like this. No, I don't think they can see. Okay. Display capture. Sel ta'xir qilib turinglar, mashon. Xitoylar bog'i demaman, Xitoylarmi yozayotgan. So, you message him, right? I wish you have no problem. We will start really soon, guys. We need more people watch. We don't want to lost anything today. Bayam cap bu bala paranlaşıp azraq sınaqdan ötep. Yeah, we tested. He was there, right? He was here earlier, and then.
Yeah, he called me by mistake, so I sent him the link again.
So he's supposed to show up soon, huh?
Yes.
Oh, so now our chatting room has like a server link. You just send it to him.
Yeah.
That's great, man. Thanks. So Did you share on Twitter everywhere?
Yeah.
That's good, bro. Mana bu jigit. Okay, hold on, give me a second. Assalamu alaikum, Muradel.
Vaalaykum assalam aka, yaxshimi?
Yaxshi, fikam. Bu.
Chiqyapmanmi Yaman?
Ya sen chiqmading-ku. Shu iliq bir rasmingdan chiqdi, profile rasming. Açını bir o'chirsan. Eli turib o'chirsan bo'ldi, bir o'zingni ko'rsatib qo'yibchi. Sal turib. Mana. Biroq bak
bo'ldi bu.
Mana, yaxshi. Chiq vaqtingni olmaymiz, fikam. 1 soat ishib ketsa, bulamda to'kong yetama telefonni
to'kong. Bo'ldi, daxi yo'q.
Unda bo'lsa yaxshi.
Yetdi buning ta'siri misolni bo'ldi.
Bo'ldi. Fikam shu ma'laq men chiniqayotgan vaqtlarda gaplarni qilding, yozding, sen jungoda deding, men bir xil ishangandek yana bir turib, voy bu bola nima deyapti debchi, bir xil o'ylanib qoldim. Shuning bilan videoni yozaman.
I'm good. How are you? I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Yes.
I'm just here.
Yes, he ready for every question, Jerry. You will ask him a question, whatever you want. I will ask my questions in my Uyghur language first, and then maybe only takes like 20 minutes, and then the rest time is yours. He has a really limited time. I don't want to like take too much. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Bazen her qanday nimaga tayyormi savolga. Mening savolim udul bo'laverishi mumkin. Hamda sen ashuna ta'sir berding bizga jiddiy bir xil, bir xil hayotning xavf ichida qolgandek. To'g'ri-da, hamda sen video ishlab qilayotgan.
To'g'ri.
Xitoyning ichida. Hamda unda bo'lgandan keyin mendan bir xil narsani kutayotgandek his qildim. Hamda men bu yerda ag'inam bilan Justice Believer deb bo'yishni boshlab qo'yib, chiqayotganlar bir xil uzoq bo'lgan. Bizda haqqoniyatga ishonimiz, adolatga ishonimiz deb. Hamda shu astaqbuni buni so'zlaydik. O'zimizning tushunganlarini, shunday bir o'zimizning community bor, o'zing bilsa ham Discord kirib bilgansa, jiqomisimi bir 20-30 yoshlik adamlarimiz bor, shunday qilib yurgandik. Sen tuyuqsiz paydo bo'lding. Onunki videolarni ko'rdim. Shuning bilan men buni jiddiy taqatmasa olmaydi ekan deb aloqaliq taqdib qildim. Atslam, sening bu videoing kishi olqishga erishib, hammasini hayron qoldirib o'tdi bo'g'ay. Shuning bilan ko'rib ketibdi. Ammo aqldan har xil gaplar bo'lib ketibdi. O'zing bilayotgansan, seni undaq deganlar bo'ldi. Men ham yaxshi tarafga o'ylaylik dedim. Men seni tushunib yetmayman. Shunlashqa menda bir xalqalarning oldida bir muhim bo'lgan bir necha savolni sendan so'rab vaqtingni olmay, ashuni loyiq ko'rsang, boshlab ketamdoq. Bo'ldi. Birinchisi afkam o'sha bu rasmo sen Xitoyda hozir, shundaymi? Xitoyda. O'sha Jungoda. Voy. Mana.
Amadima?
Ovozing bo'sh olmadi, biroq yana chiqyapti.
Xitoy to'g'ri.
Undan keyin sen shu Xitoyning shu bunda xiyol bo'lishning eng muhim maqsading nima endi sening? Nima ish qilmoqchi? Shuni degan fikrim. Maqsading nima? Bizdan nimani kutsa? Fikam endi rasmingni ham chiqirib oldik. Agar bunaqa livlan ketadigan shub qolsa, mana internet ketadigan shub qolsa, chiqamaylam, ovozingni ham degina bo'lmasa.
Ovozim oldiga.
Men rasming bilan ovozing yaxshi chiqmadi deb qetib qolyapti. Shunlashqa rasmingni chiqamayli, rasmingni sen ko'rib qilib bo'ldik, ovozingni ham bir anglasak bo'ldi, aniq chiqadigan ish bo'lsa.
Endi-chi?
Yaxshi.
Odiy ovozim.
Yaxshi, ovozing yaxshi. Qarindoshlar to'g'ri tushuninglar, buni bakalik internet talada bo'lgandan keyin cho'qim yetish bo'lmaydi. Fikam, ham desam bizdan nima kutsa, nima ish qilmoqchi, shuni bir deb beray haqqa.
Bu ishni qilishdan burun men 2018-yilda 8-ayning 26-si men boshqa video dedim-ku, Instagram nomer olganda men shu ishga kelgan vaqtda. Olgandan keyin 9-ayning biri men Xitoydan telefon qilibdi. Men shu sağ chiqandan. Sen nada deganda gaplarni qildik. Qolgandan keyin telefonu kıyvetim, telefonu kıyıtlarken şu günden başlap ben bilen boğan alakam bulundu yoki ödükler boğan alakam üzüp taşlap telefondaki app'larni küykü widgetlarimizni juyup şu günden başlap üzerine şu sargardalik hayatım sen bundan keyin şag'aga bordim shundan keyin xizmat izlab baxtash Xitoyning şirketlerden kurs şirketleri bulamdı. Bagan o Xitoyli unumi diyor onunla sen Uygur deb. Yani bazıları qo'yib unga bo'lsa sen Uygur ekansan deb bana der ya da o biz başlıklarımıza hükümet unutmazaq. O yerden bu iş yetmedi ya şunu olan ben bu Xitoyniki şirketleri gitmiştim bro alı bilan telefon qilgan bular. Bu sizlarniki millat cheklama alıp bağımı ben basam bulan ekan. Lekin bağandaki nərmiş şirketde yok. Xitoyli gibi yeni mal diyor. Ben bunu bu işte 9. aydan birden
9 ayının biri deyse şu 2018 9. ayının biri
nurgun
var.
hesapladım. Ne? Ha doğru.
Ha buldu. Ha.
Şimdi ondan burumu Nanjing'deki şu bazı yerlere verip bizde baktı amalasak şu bakaydan baktım dik uyam merkuna kış akmdı satken sadap. Hatta ama şu 9 ayın bakan dikin juynuğa yerdiğin bolsam mı aşağı kameranın vakti kamera yok. Yani ben bağa hiç günde juynuğa kirgen vaktin kimasıga kameranı yok. Devlet Piraterlik İdaresi Uygur keldi mükemmel bu yerge yıktaş için orduda bu kamera. Şundan başında akışlarını beşinde ötküzgen diye hizmet izlep baktı. Ben dedim Xitoyniki nurgun kendimki erişişken akışlarını birisi en ağır kıtı maşı hizmet 2018 yılı 10 ayda maşı Amerikalı işçisi bir başka bir kavakanı var. Şöyle bir bartender işlep baktım işe de. İşlesem ya bilgenlikken bir gün işleş olganda sual soraş başımandı. Sen Uygursun şuna bunun ki milletin Müslüman dedi ha doğru desem şimdi işte bu bas hep yeni kır soğan soramadı. Çünkü hem sırtta başka birisi sual sorgutup bunu dep. Şundan sual sordu cevap verdim ben Uygurmuşum da hatta. Sizinki sizin Uygur'da sizlerini hazır tutatan şunlar doğru. Ama Müslüman oldu bizden desem şu sual çıktı şunlar başka yakamadı. Sen bir yerleştim sen bir yer ne çıkar desem sonra sen Uygurken sen demeyken ya o çeteldeki mi?
Ha, senin avazın kıra.
Ne oldu? Bir yerde ben işaret kan. Ha.
Avazın sel ılıqı. Ha, şu hem de işki devlet boğan deken şeyse üzülüp çıkışımı normaldi. Avazın rasmi ılıqı gırt çıkıvatıdı. Bir xil üzülüp. Yani da obdan anlasak yani düşünüp atımaz neyim degenini bırak. Aslında sen onun şıgılı bulamın da eğer imkaniyet bolsa. Hem de yani sözleydiğinler çıkıdı.
Torna almıştık bakayımsa.
Ha, torna almıştırıp bak yani sözleydiğinler o bunu çıkışına aldığını eleş için bu birinin avazını özgürüp çıkıvatıdı dep kalmasın deymen şu. Hem de o yerde tuğan deyken doğru düşünüş gerek. Hem de ben Amerika'da bu Xitay'ın torunun işçide durup tordan atılıp çıkıvatıdı. Hem de Biroq tushgan duoqa sening hayotingni hisobda shikirga shu bir chikitib xizmatni ishlayman bo'ldi deb chikatgan paytda shu har qanday yerda shu ish ololmay sening uyg'ur bo'lib qolganliging tufayli undan keyin oxir sen qopab bo'ldi hamda biz yo o'lim yo kirim degan keldingmi hisobda shunda hamda sen bu xatarlik
to'g'ri
sen hozir amma hamda Xitoyda turib hech kim qilib boqmagan ishni sen hozir chiqib va gunsandan unda qilibman manda qilibman yomsa Freedom for Uyg'uriston barakalloh fikr shunchaki hurmatim bor hamda lekin shu tayyor bo'ldingmi hamda shu men to'g'ri chiqarib yetaman bo'lmasa o'chirvasammi bo'ladi amma shuni aniq bilib qo'yay debchi
ben hammaga tayyor chiqarsangiz bo'lardi
shu fikr amma sen shunchalik bir qahramonlik ro'yini bizga bildirib qilyapsan ama şu sen shu videoning tunigun ko'rgandan keyin oxir Uyg'urlardan chiqib deb shunchalik mag'rurlandim faxrlandim zulümge çidimay bunda sözlep bana can alkan qilib qo'yib bunda qilmagan oson emas Ba'zilarning nimasi ham desam, qanday jining biqiyotsa, sen pul bormi, senda yo bo'lmasa nalar turyapsa deb shunda men seni shu ko'chada u yerda uxlab qolyotdi deb tushundim ham. Sen shuni bir tushuntirib bersan qisqa qilib.
Vaqtlar buni turdig'ayrim yo'q hozir shu 3 yil qoldi 2018 yil boshlagan bo'lsam 3 yil qoldi deb 2 yildan ortiq qoldi. Shu yetilg'aya bo'lsa yoki bu Xitoy yigimta sotachi emasmi? Ba'zida shu doktorxonalar bo'lganligi o'rindiqda o'tirib uxlayadi bilan. Karar çıkıp bağlanma. Hadi tamamını gibi gelsek başka tungalı var ve Somya'da şu yalan girip bazı kazgın.
İsap sen resmi aşağılık ya.
Bazı.
Senin vaktin kısa Muradil. Ama İngilizce soru soraydı.
Var mı ne ki?
Senin vaktin var mı? Hem daha aldırmay barhansın ciddi bir xil baran barma hazır. Senin nari turayotganingni chiqib shikirlikingni bilmaysan, uncha cho'nqur deppamasang bo'ladi bizga. Biz senga ishonamiz. Uningdan foydalanib ketadigan shop qolmasin. Uningdan keyin senga pul sappaygili bo'ladigan ahvol bormi deydi ba'zilar. Shu sening qiynayotganingni bilmaysan, hamda qanday orqali birasining WeChat nomerini deb beramsa, yo'qsa bir xil savma qilib, bir xil amallarni qilib pul sappaygili bo'lamdi senga.
Ya ben hazır bir projet oluşturmam bana hazır pul mu gerek emas. Çünkü benim hazır bu işin kışın başka kısa ben pek kışlım ketmedi. Hemen üzerine bu tayarlık oldu. Üzerine emniyette kışlıkta o kışlık pişirirken benim bu işin riyata aklı işlerini ki bu aslında medet verip uzanlarını tutanlamam lazım. Uzanlarını insan hikayelerinin uzanlarını kanalını şu dünyanın alıp Kürşanlarla baş videolarını çıkardım ben. Onun kokulu bir yerden sonra.
Eğer sen kanday kılırsa, eğer toxta düşendim senin aşında kılıp sen izcil bana medet berip kevatsa hem de onu obdan bilmem. Bu xalqlarıma dedim, qanday şusu ömrü bulunlar, iş qılınlar, qo'rqmanglar, sizlar degan erkin dünyada davat sesini demek onun bizge demek olan gipin birisi şu mu?
Ora şu.
Bundan yana başka bizge hem de sırtdaki Uygurlarga hem de ba'zilar seni mayada so'zlabdi. Bu yilqi face camera hammada chiroyini tatidi, sening chiroyini tatib saqchilar birdamda birini qilyapmamdi deb savol so'rabdi.
Bu savol kelsek hozir miyada koronavirus var, hem haq maskadaqdi, shapkiydi. O yerda plankin kapırıp şapkılar vaqtincha.
Sen qanchalik uzaq seningcha bu ishni qanchalik uzaq davomlashtira olaysan, o'zingning xatiri qanchalik qaydan qayergacha senchi bo'lsa?
Bu işi yana bir şeydek davomlashtirmadi bo'layman. Belki onu uzun bakış mümkün. Xatarlik lekin xatarlikimizin ait yok çünkü Xitoy hazır ne kısmı hazır xatarlik kirgan hamma narsin chiroyli tunuydi deb qo'rqsak bu qamlashmaydi.
Qo'rqmaysan hozir shu
ishimizni davomlashtirib qanday qilmoqchi hozir ben
sen demekçi şu öyle qilma fis koronavirus bulab ma o hammasi mask taqib olg'achqa shunlashqa u narsalar hozir xili yaxshi shunlashqa chiqib turishingga foydali. Biroq sen yana ham
to'g'ri
3 oygacha davomli bera olamanmikin deb atamsan, u yoq bu yoqqa qechib yurib 3 oygacha davomli tura olmaymanmikin deb atamsan. Shuna demoqchimi?
Ha, to'g'ri. To'g'ri.
Yana qanday yurak so'zlaring bormi sirtdagi Uyg'ur aka adillaringga? Ko'pincha sendan cho'ng sen 26 kiribsa, shunchalik japalarni tatibsa, u yoq bu yoqlarda uxlab yashab yotibsa. Hamda yana bizga qanday yurak so'zlaring bor? Nimani kutsa biz Uyg'urlardan sirtdagi o'sha hayot qavotgan Xitoyning nimasidan qutulib hozircha hayot qavotgan Uyg'urlardan sen nimani kutsa?
Menimcha chet elda qilayotgan shug'ullarimiz nihoyat yaxshi qilyapti. Buni qolishimiz kerak. Menimcha bir o'g'li bola, sizmi o'g'li bola hammamiz bo'libmi? Masalan, sizlarga gapiray. Ovozim beryapamdu.
Yaxshi, biroq uzilib kelyapti, men tushunyapman. Sen xulosalab sen oxiri deb birman, ha, de.
Ben şu ben bir tanqidlaydigan bir ish bor bu yerda. Ayni mana shu manchiqat ron mana shu kuvvatdan muzbag'i siz anglagansiz.
Nima o?
Voy.
Tanqidlaydigan bir ishim deganda, uningdan ovozingni bilamay qoldim. Tanqidlaydigan shu ishingni bir deb bergan bo'lsang, uningdan ingliz savol ko'tarib ketsam, ava.
Aldı bo'ldi mana shu ingliz savol.
İngliz tili so'rasan, bo'ldi, ingliz tili tushunganlar tushunsin. Bo'ldi. Unda bo'lsa, Jerry.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second. Did any Chinese give you? You can ask the question. Can you see the question from the screen? Can you see my screen? Like, okay, I will share my screen to you guys too. And
Okay.
So, oh, this is too small. You cannot see definitely. So, yes, there's like a chatting question. I will ask him. So now it's your time to ask him any question you want.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, that's fine. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Good to see you, man. My name is Murad Hassan.
Bratilasen.
Murad Hassan.
Murad Hassan.
Yeah, it's some
Okay.
lagging, you know. You have to understand.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, I'm Jerry. And
Hello, man.
nice to meet you. I just like a few questions because Chadman has been telling me a lot about you and like your situation over there. Can you just tell me like a little bit about yourself? Like, did you grow up in Uristan?
Yeah, of course I can tell you. Right now, can I ask now?
Yes, this is those all the questions, those type of things, Jerry. Yeah, he's. I can give you like brief information about he is, but I think his voice is too laggy right now. We should fix that first, right?
Oh, there's a lag. There's a lag.
Yeah. You can't hear well, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ovozing yana beklam so'zilib ketdi hozir, nima Muradel?
Ovozim hozir.
Pek beryapti-da shu hamda yana shu sal asta hamda uning amali yo'q hamda endi javobim bor. Yeah. Jerry, ask you like question. It's your turn now.
Okay. And so, like, I heard. Are you currently homeless? Currently, you don't have a place to stay.
Of course I am.
Oh wow. Well, so how do you live? How do you survive? You know, on the day to day.
How I survive.
Yeah.
Right now, you know, since 2018 started this journey
Okay.
and do this work because to help me or get job in China, you can't even people.
So we
Can
cannot
you hear me?
No, it's very laggy, right? Can you
The
understand?
voice is lagging a bit.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Pek
Can we?
so'zlib maqsadini faqat tushunamay qoldim oxirida. Yeah, he being like in his video he said he been homeless since 2018. So
Okay.
so how you like make video? My question is how you make is there any? Are you okay to how like you just use the phone and then you just shoot video and then use your phone to make it and how you access internet?
I have to download VPN, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, you use a VPN.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So, like, what do you
If you
think?
don't
Like,
have VPN, how? Yeah, ask me.
So like, is there like, do you have to change your phone because like people might be police might be tracking you or something? Do you like how do you stay safe?
Yes, of course. This is very important question. Uh, I have to firstly in KFC. This place Chinese more here to check public please, for example, bus station. So be pay attention by policemen. Let them check my keep safe.
He said he was staying the KFC, but he always like pay attention to the police to chase him or something like that, right? That's because so
Yeah.
laggy. Is that what you want? Is that what you want to say? Because so laggy, Muradel.
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's see. Let's ask some question from here. Some English. How is the situation? Any rebellion happened since? Here's a question. It's like so deep and he asking you like did you like witnessed any like forced marriage things in China like to Uyghurs, Chinese toward Uyghurs? Is that true? Like people try to know.
Yes, of course, it's true.
Yes, I mean let's ask him like those type of question is just ask me, please. If you don't trust me, you don't have to ask him. Like, we are really certainly worried about his situation. He said he might can survive 3 months. Can you imagine that? Like, what happened after he got catch, right? Like, so what do you want to say to the free world? So what do you want from us? What we can do for you as a Uyghur man, this channel, or like as a media? What do you want from the world?
Okay, this is this is great time. I appreciate you.
Appreciate
You're
me.
black.
Okay.
When I was a student, I have friends. We had very great relation when I was a student. Unite, and we have to speak heart.
Okay.
And
Okay.
right now we can
It's can you
coronavirus or
Muradel
there or United States or
Muradel
other
Muradel. Because of
yeah,
because of
was
the delay of the time,
huh?
the audience cannot hear you what you're saying. Like it's so laggy, and we have to understand that you use VPN from China. I mean America. So let's do this way. Let's just turn off the screen like a voice chat. You just I will ask you some question, and you can answer. Type me.
Okay,
Yeah, you just type your answer. Is that okay?
okay,
Yeah, that would be better.
no problem.
Yeah. So, what do you want from the world? Like, from the Western world, from America, like the free world? Or let's just talk about that.
Okay, can I say it right now?
Yeah, no. I wish your voice is gonna be good, but it's not that. It's so laggy.
Maybe he should unjoin and rejoin. It might help it.
Okay, let's try. Muradel, join our voice channel like again because it's so laggy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, what he can he send voice message, man?
Um I don't think on Discord.
Yeah, but I will tell you guys. We will read it. What we have his Discord. he talked with us with Discord, so which I tried to make it good and let people know he's a real person, but it's so laggy. But still, I have a lot of questions for him, and I will ask him here. We still have 30 minutes, so he can type the answer, or just yeah, if it's possible, if the voice chat, the voice message would be better, right?
Yeah.
So how we can do it, like
I mean, maybe the lag also has to do with the video. So maybe if I turn off video,
let's
it
see.
might help. Because the so just trying voice alone.
So my question is, okay, I will ask some question from you guys, and I will just type the last question to him and let him answer. Type, but I don't know his English is good enough to type. Muradel.
Okay, he's back.
Muradel. Muradel. Yeah, he cannot hear us. Muradel. How? Let's call. Let me just call him without any video. You guys don't need to see me. Maybe gonna be faster. I don't know. Jerry. Oh, Jerry is not here, so I will just make a video call. I will turn off all the voice chat because it's so laggy, guys. We need to just talk to him with a call. Maybe it's better for you guys know he's there already, right? So we don't need to show his appearance because we know he's a real person. If you trust, you can listen. If you don't trust, you don't have to. So let's add Jerry. Sorry guys, anyone there, and if you have a question, I will just pick the random question, guys. I don't even care who's asking what. Okay guys, I will just ask random question, but please, like think about his emergency. Ask something cool, something like save your time and his time, some question like that, please. I cannot hear anything, so let's do just call. You know, I feel great, awesome, because of we have finally have a people like real justice believer, and he's such a brave person. Hello? Where's my voice chat? Okay. I'm sorry guys, a technical issue since it's he's from China and he need to use some certain app to yeah, I want to talk a little to my Uyghurs. Fakat bak üzülüp avazını anlıqla bolmadı da faqatlam. Ve çıkıp. Şoňlaşqa mawa telefonlaşaýly desem ýokap ketdi. Çıkmadı da. Yeah, we prepared some question for him. Give me a second, guys. It's some technical issue. He just not working. Jerry also not working. What's going on? Give me a second, guys. I know it's not easy, guys, right? So we have to understand. Um, I never see someone like giving live stream from inside of China to outside that easy. So we have to understand definitely. Yo, bro, Jerry,
Hello?
Jerry, yeah, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, how about
And he's
Muradil?
here too.
Muradil, awas gap paka. Oh, it's still lagging. Muradil? Yeah, his
Yeah,
voice.
aldыңыз ба иә?
Әмді яқшы қотады. Issel. Yeah, very good now. He has a good voice. Jerry, let's start. So my first question in English is let's do it. What do you want? I know your life in danger and then you're speaking up for Uyghurs for Uyghurs freedom, Uygurstan's freedom. And what do you want from the world?
Yeah, I think this question is very important. I think people live in the Western countries, we have to keep supporting each other. Just like I saw many Uyghur, whatever old or young people, they're protesting on YouTube channel, whatever. But I think but that's not enough for us. When I was in, what's this? Can you hear me?
Yes, very good. Keep going.
Very clear.
when I when I was in my hometown, I saw many bad things,
Yeah.
concentration camps, or there were people. I went there in front of the camps. I saw many bad things. I saw a father. He was waiting for his son, just for meet his son. I asked this person, what you doing here? Why your son was arrested by Chinese Communist Party? And he said, my son was so kind, and when he was a student at college, he just pray for Allah, because we are Muslims, we just
Oh yeah.
pray for Allah at school,
That's
at,
cool.
at college. And
Yes.
when he came to hometown in Earth to Christian and the Chinese Communist Party, they arrested his son, and he said, I just got this message by place I didn't meet my son. And I said, so how you can meet your son in concentration camps? Can you meet your son face to face? And he said, no, I can't communicate with my son or meet my son face to face, because there's big screen, and people just meet each other by phone. People cannot see each other. So this is a situation I saw when I was
So
in hometown
you mean like
concentration camp.
so you mean the people? There's a guy and in front of a concentration camp, and he's waiting his son, and you ask the way to the conversation is they can't even meet each other just through the phone. He had to stand in front of there, and
Of course,
can he see
absolutely.
each other from the window or what?
Yeah, window.
Oh, through the window.
There's a
So
screen and the window and the phone.
oh, just like a jail, right?
Yeah, more
Yes.
dangerous than jail.
Yeah, more. And so anything you witness, there's some people ask about like forced marriage, a lot of things. Like, did you? I know your mother got stabilized by Chinese Communist Party for not pregnant anymore. We know that, and I will put her the link on the description below. And did you any witness any forced marriage, or do you want to talk about forced labor things? What do you want?
So you asked me about my mother, about sterilization, right?
Yeah, no, that's what we know. You already talked about on your video. I will put on the
Yeah.
description. But did you like witness any forced marriage things? Like, is a lot of people, we know it's true because I'm a Uyghur. I know how it works, but people still on outside. If you tell them, they don't believe because you're speaking from the outside. Now you're living inside and you're a real person. So could you talk about it?
Yeah, it's true. And the government, they try to make Uyghur ladies or girls marry with Chinese men, just like. But this thing is not so. I don't know how to describe. But since 2018, I accept from Uzbekistan, and I just come to Jiangsu. And since that moment, I never meet Uyghur and the other my
I know
nations,
from
because in mainland China, I can't meet or see any Uyghurs people, so I don't know about it. But I can tell you it's true because since 1949, Chinese Communist Party they are doing it many times. Many Uyghur young lady and girls they're victims. But let me, if you want ask more specific details, I try to tell you. But how I can tell
yes,
you,
I know
I
you.
don't have a
Yes,
video
you
or I
know
don't.
what's going on because that
So
is your
this is what I want to say.
homeland, and but you were not there from 2018. Yeah, please, guys, everyone we saying, especially in Uyghur Urban Justice Believers, this channel saying we are 100% believes that is true, and we as Uyghurs, if you don't listen something from victims, so you want to believe the Chinese Communist Party, there's only two things you can believe: Chinese Communist Party or Uyghurs. It depends on you. If you think we are exaggerating, here is the people. He's like a challenge, risking his all life talking about it. And so, please, how we can help you? What we can do for you? I mean, again, that question. So what kind of help we can do for you from the outside of the China?
I think you have to share our videos with foreigners and the other medias. I hope more and more foreigners and the social media
Should
can
know about it,
show
right?
about me and
Yes,
let
yes,
them know who I am and why I'm being here. And
yes.
I think I'm one of the many victims because
Of
many
course.
people they want to speak it out. Many people want to know, let let foreigners know about themselves, but they can't because they can speak it out briefly. I think I'm one of them, but I maybe I can represent them, but yes, I can do it.
Yes, and
This thing is happening to us.
yeah, I know you are. Yes, you braveness because I was thinking too much since you just upload your video. I was like, wow, I never met any guy like as brave as you. So I like the people who brave, who speak up for other people, who try to help other people. Now what you're doing is Uyghurs should get saved from Chinese Communist Party, and you are asking help from the in other world. We just you just are asking us like help you share your video to the world, right?
Yeah,
Is that
of
what you
course.
mean? Yes, that's how I understand. Okay, Jerry, do you have any question? It's your turn, man.
I mean, I'm really just I'm pretty curious. Like, how do you like muster up? You seem pretty brave, you know, to be doing this. As it seems like you're constantly on the run. Are you? Are you? Um, like, how careful do you have to be all the time?
How can I do it all the time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's super dangerous. So a lot of
Yeah.
people don't understand, and that's why they have a lot of questions. Who can do it? Like no one doing it.
Right.
So how you
Yeah, of
can just
course, of course.
yeah.
So let me tell you how I did it and why how I'm
Okay.
doing.
Okay.
I know anywhere is cameras. I know anywhere is policemen. Maybe suddenly they can check me out, and if they know who I am from Uzbekistan, they can arrest me randomly. This is true. Just like when I was in Shanghai, I meet you know I was in supermarket. I just sitting down there.
Okay.
Suddenly I saw two policemen. They come over here. They're Chinese policemen. They just come over here. They said, "Let me see your ID card." And I did it, and I let them. I showed my ID to them, and they recorded everything about my information, and they just left. They just left, and since that moment, I think if I want to survive in China, I think many I think have to more think about too much about this dangerous thing because they're human, they're people. They will
Yeah.
make mistake one sometime. I think have to so so nervous. I think oh I will be in trouble anytime. In I will make mistakes anytime anywhere. So I think let's clear this garbage stuff in our mind. I think we have to think it any times, anyway. So keep your freedom, keep your goals, what you want to achieve. So this is what I'm doing here. So I don't want to so care about, oh, Chinese policemen, or they will kill me, or they will arrest me, because
Yeah.
this thing this thing is been happening just for maybe more than 22 hours.
Mm.
That's it. Maybe after 5 days or after one month, everything is changed. Maybe Chinese Communist Party, they will start to find me out. Who knows that?
Yes.
So everything is just beginning. You think I think, yeah. If the bad thing could happen to me, I think, okay, I just will face this reality. I didn't have to accept accept anymore. I think this is what I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. I mean, yes, what he basically trying to say, my understanding is he's under danger 24 hours, make him so much nervous. That's why he wanna escape from this scaredness, like fighting for the freedom. So maybe he will get arrested tomorrow or the next moment, but he don't care. He can't care anymore. He need to speak up. Is that what you mean, like? Muradil, do you agree
Yeah.
with that? That's how I understand you basically. I mean, uh, that's what you basically saying too. And here's a question about one of our guys. He said, "I know you are living homeless life in mainland city of China, mainland China since 2018, right? 2018 September 1st. You told me."
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Before that, did you met any Uyghurs that came out of camps, or like did you met any of them, any from the jail, or like how scary like Uyghur situation inside of Uyghuristan?
Inside of them, I never meet the person like that. I just meet outside people, someone whose family was arrested by Chinese Communist Party, or someone who is dead in concentration camps. And I asked another person when I was in Uzbekistan, and the, and he just said we can't talk about this topic publicly because, for example, let me tell you, another person who has lost his son or father in
Okay.
concentration camps, he can't talk about this topic publicly or each other, or in the on the streets or supermarket or any places they can talk about, because Chinese Communist Party, they urge us we can't talk about this dangerous or serious thing because they fear of speaking it out. So think about it. What I'm doing here, I think I can represent these poor people. I can tell you, maybe I can't give you a lot of information, but I'm doing it as soon as possible.
Yeah, you
Can you
said.
understand?
Yes, I understand. I understand. There's a little bit laggy thing, so I want to clarify something. You said like if there's in China, like in East Turkestan, if his son got arrested or died in a concentration camp, he cannot talk about it because of like fear from the Communist Party, right?
Of course, of course.
Yes, that's why like people don't talk about this question, and you have to understand him. You have to watch his life from his YouTube video. There's some question you guys asking. He already made a video, so I don't want to keep asking the same question. If you guys want, just look at his video. He did a lot of good work. He put this English subtitle. Like if he talk about Chinese way, watch his video first, then come back next time. We might still have a chance to interview him. I know. I have some question too about your beard. I know like people like has a beard in China is like very hard. I know even this like my father don't talk to me anymore like because of he's scared his son has a little beard. I know understand a lot of people like gossiping about that reason why he can as a Uyghur, if he in China still survive his beard. Could you explain that?
So you're asking me about my beer, right?
Yeah. In mainland China, is that causing a lot of trouble?
The reason is I didn't have money.
Mm.
What you don't
Uh,
have? Oh, you don't have
so
money
you
to.
can
You just
imagine.
basically you the way you look and now like you eating the food from the Hui people's Hui Muslims restaurant, like they support you for food sometimes, and then you basically homeless. You cannot shave, and then you just looking like a really homeless people, like not attract people. People even cannot recognize you as a Uyghur right on the street. No one know because you kind of
Yeah, of
can't
course.
shave. Yes, from his look and from what he's describing is he's homeless basically. He's sleeping on the bridge. Where you sleep? Like where you gonna sleep tonight?
Let me tell you, last night I just sleep in KFC. I just sitting sleep.
Sit and sleep.
Mm.
Is that how you pass
Wow.
2 years? Is
Yeah,
that
every day.
2 years you're like that?
Yeah, of course.
So what about
Wow.
like what if like get cold outside is sometimes snow or raining? I know it's like really flood is going on a lot of certain area in China. How you sleeping like those time cold time? What are you doing?
Yes. Since I start this journey when I was in Shanghai, I remember that so clearly. When I was in Shanghai, that was December and cold, and outside is raining. I don't know where I can go. I just find the supermarket that was 20, and I went there. I just sit, just sleep. And this thing is happening until now. I just sleep, sitting sleep. And about cold or winter, I think what I can say, I just wear a lot of keep you warm. Otherwise, I don't have another way to keep this so or better.
I understand like you just sit and sleep for 2 years in different like KFC restaurants, things like that, right?
Yeah, of course.
And then like are you facing how about your financial? What do you work? A lot of people worry about that. Do you work or like how you charge your phone and then like how you make videos, things like that? Could you explain a little bit for us?
Yeah, I can ask you, I can answer your question. About the internet, my phone has phone card because since 20 and August 26, I think I lost my phone card and about my account because I didn't have to use. If you use your phone WeChat, and
Oh,
they
so you
can
don't.
find you by IP address, something like that. What?
So you just making video without the phone card. You don't have any contact information. So you only use online app. Is that what you mean?
Yes,
So
of course.
you use
Use Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi in where? Like some like random place, like Wi-Fi
Of course.
from the restaurant or something like that.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Now it's super clear. A lot of people was worrying. Oh, they're thinking if someone do like the things he can't do, a lot of people like, no, he can't do that too. Impossible. Like don't trust, but I trust. You don't have any ID phone card. You basically make video, shoot video with your phone, and then yeah, you're homeless. You don't have any people contact. Your mom's at, or your father become like. I understand now. Um, so Jerry,
Yes, of course.
give me your answer again. Any question? I mean,
Um, I mean, also like, are have you tried? Are we the first people you've contacted like in the West? like in general, like in America or Europe? Like, uh, are we the first people that you've had contact with?
Y- no, this is my secondary contact
Okay. Okay.
person, and before I contact you and this person, I of who lived in who live, and yours are
So
can
please,
hear me.
it's getting laggy again. So you said you contacted another people before us, right? Did you like contact any media outside,
Yeah.
like Western world? Did you contact any bigger? Now we just a little like a YouTube channel. I mean, did you contact other
Like a journalist.
journalists, stuff like that?
No, no, no. I didn't communicate with any journalist, something like that, because in China, I tried to communicate with them. I before I do this, I try to text for for German journalists and uh, BBC, but they didn't respond. So this thing is happening still
Oh,
now.
did you contact any other Uyghurs then? Like okay, I know you are you looking at me because of I'm Uyghur. Did you contact any other Uyghurs before?
Yes, Canada,
He's from Canada,
Uyghur
Uyghur. Okay,
woman,
Uyghur
Guli
woman.
Maksud. Uh,
Oh,
Otherwise, yeah,
nice. Guli Maksud is here too. So
Yeah.
Guli Maksud know about you. Nice.
yes,
Yeah.
of course.
Oh, so but did you? Okay. Yes, that's why she was like always active here. It's good. Yeah. So what? Last question again. So as a Uyghur man, we are I am a justice believer. You said you are risking your life. That's how you give me the impression about you. You are the homeless people and risking your life, speaking up against your freedom, right? Against your freedom,
Yeah,
for your
yeah, of
freedom,
course.
against Chinese Communist Party. So I am in free world. What I can do for you?
I told you before. I
Yes.
told you just share this video and share
Okay.
each other's this that you think who are seeing in China or whatever where I'm living, and it's also dangerous. Maybe next arrest me or some bad things. I don't care about it anymore because we are just caring about too much since to the 1949.
Nice.
7 years we just care about care too much. I think
Care too much.
I think we have to we can't just stay in the corner just like animals. We are to speak it out.
Yeah.
We have to like a human. We can't just stand what did you just force us or just listen to them. I don't think that's so. This is why I'm being here. Fear of Chinese Communist Party. They just like animals or dogs, just like stolen our future, our land.
Yes.
They stolen animals. So think about do you hear of Chinese Communist Party? Do you have the fear of them? You have to speak it out.
Yes, we
This is
have
what
a
I want to
fear
say.
of Communist Party, so that's why we kind of like scared. But it's time to speak up, stand up, not be like waiting them to slaughter us like an animal. Is that what you want to say? Is that what you said? Like a little laggy, so that's what I want to explain.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Yeah, Guli Maksud also told me and the Guli Maksud will feel really proud. We have such a partner like people from the Uyghur like from Uyghur and
Yeah,
that brave such a
Yeah.
brave man from Uyghurs among Uyghurs and speak up from the for the Uyghur for our future for our country. So we feel glad, and she also said like she want to make a video tomorrow about you, blah blah. We will try our best to let the world know about your situation, your video, and we will try our best to protect you. We will keep checking your safety. We will keep reporting what's going on. And thanks for your time, and please stay safe. And if I have any question, am I allowed to ask you anytime if you during the time?
Oh, I think he got disconnected.
Oh, disconnected. Yes,
Yeah.
basically that's what I mean. Oh, he got disconnected, huh?
Yeah, I think
Yeah. See, what's your question? What against another question? This is like, if you believe, he just saying he's a guy, he's a homeless, live in mainland China, and he come out, he escaped from the East Turkestan to mainland China because he can't find a job and his parents are so poor. Like he don't want. He said he want to go mainland China to make more money, better job, but because of his Uyghur, he cannot find a job, and because of his identity, he cannot like open a hotel. So he become homeless. But some Hui Muslim giving him some like food, because Hui Muslim in China everywhere they have a restaurant and it's halal food, so supporting him as a food, but. He only have one phone without phone card. Just download the app and register some account and cross over. What he want to say all the time is scared, get out of from your fairness, fair range of your fairness. So get out of there, because he said I may get arrested or get caught anytime, maybe tomorrow, next moment. But if I think like that, it's too much.
Means
so,
he won't do anything.
Yeah, it doesn't help anything. So he just want to speak up, and he asking us, our channel specifically, and Guli Masud, he can't talk too much. Yes, he contacted some Western media, but he didn't get the real answer. He said, and finally he made his video, and he tried. He wish we can be his voice and let the world know about his situation. We definitely do that. I will mention him in my every single stream. Probably I will just follow him. I wish he can be safe. You know, I really inspired by his braveness. You know, it's hard. How? I mean, I know. I can understand his situation. He might just get arrested, and if you get arrested from China. As Uyghur, is super dangerous, but it is what it is. He basically said, right? It is what it is. I cannot do anything, but please stay strong, international world, blah blah, something like that.
Yeah.
That's what we got from today. Yeah, I wish earlier like that video call it worked, but it's so laggy. Even voice call with my video answer. Discord with video is so laggy. He's from China and he's escaping using public Wi-Fi or something. So he's very smart guy. Very smart guy, and he knows 3 languages. And but he's homeless. Since he's Uyghur, he cannot get any job. That happened to me. That's why I'm here. That's why I tried to get more education. Then I come to America, but eventually I can't go home now. Yes. We need this type of hero. We need people. Everything is on the table right now. What's happening to Uyghurs, no matter you believe or not, it is a fact. It's not just a conspiracy theory or we made it up. We've been talking to the world about this for many, many years, right? Many years, but the world never listened. The world really never believed. And they feel like we describe Chinese communists as evil, blah blah, too much exaggeration, you know. But yeah, that's why you're wearing mask. That's why you're wearing mask, basically. If you're great enough, please prove it's not from China. This virus is not from China. It's not generated from the lab. Please prove. So I saw this guy, and inspired me so much. As a justice believer, you and me. We're working for this channel, for this website, for this Uyghur Man Justice Believer stuff for a long time, and we already talk about we as a justice believer, right? We support whoever just believe justice. This guy is just come to us, and we cannot just be scared and just don't report. It is make my life is very difficult to report such a guy like this, you know. And his first video and it's from me, and I know my parents might gonna have trouble or blah blah. I don't know. I don't care. You know, it is a time. It is a time for every Uyghurs. Stand up. You should not even worry about your safety from now on. That's a fairness. You're gonna be fine if you're gonna be fine. You're gonna die if you're gonna die. Okay? Everything is from arrangement is life, but the way we choose to live, the way we choose to speak is depend on us. And under this limited time, right? Yeah, before we die, how many years, how many days we left? There is a time you're gonna speak the truth, or you're gonna speak not the truth. Stand with wealthy people, or stand with wealthy country. Even though they're bullshitting, they're killing people, they're organ harvesting, they're doing ethnic cleansing to Uyghurs. A lot of countries still stand next to China. It's time. If you want to wipe out together with China, if you want to get full with China, yes, stay close with China. That's what I want to say. As a Uyghur man, we always try to do something, try to support something, try to let our voice, Uyghur's voice, to reach more and more people. But we're trying. We have a certain ability. We have a certain limitation. We're not that great. I'm not that great on the video editing, or I'm not that great on my video, financially not that good. I don't have good cameras. This were all my excuse from now on. I will just keep talk. I already opened a lot of topic. I already talk a wide range of what's going on. I step up from my fear too.
Right.
I respect this guy from now on. I don't care about my parents' life. That was my only thing. I was always worried. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that China can just scare them, threat them, or shoot a video, show me, yeah, your mom crying here, shut up. Maybe one day they will do it, but from now on, I won't scare. I'm just let you know, because this guy, he just fired me up. And we should, as a justice believer, we should keep fighting like this. We're doing the correct things.
Right.
Yeah, if something wrong, if I'm talking about or we're doing something wrong, please prove. We can communicate. You can join us on Discord. We can discuss.
Yep.
So I will support this guy all the time, because he's I don't know how many days he gonna survive, to be honest. Right?
Right.
I don't know, to be for real. I mean, he can be live longer than, you know, or I wish. I mean, it's only God know what's gonna happen next, but I wish everything will be fine with him, and the Chinese communists never gonna catch him, you know.
True.
So what do you want to say, Jerry? I will give you a couple minutes.
It was a very riveting story he told us.
Yeah, I mean, if this is not enough, what do you want, right? What do you want? Okay, he's speaking up for the Uyghurs, for the Uyghurs land. Uyghurs basically means Uyghurs land. So what is wrong with that?
Yeah.
And why we don't trust him? Why we think he's a spy for China, or he's like lying, or he might... Why you think that way? There's only two paths for you to choose. Believe Chinese communists or believe Uyghurs. The world did. The world did. The world didn't choose us for 70 years. No one was listening. That's why no one even know who is Uyghur. Not just only Chinese communists is doing bullshit here. A lot of country, including America before, right? They're supporting Chinese Communist Party. They're doing a lot of shit.
Yeah.
They're silencing Uyghurs' voice. United Nations.
They definitely know about it.
Yes, he knows. They tested atomic bomb in my land. The people born from that area, like they have weird looking. They have something in their neck and their teeth is like a molding. You know what I'm saying? Because of the atomic bomb, they test on that desert.
Yeah.
So the world know, but they never listen. They don't trust. Okay, we're here, and here's a guy. He might get arrested, he got killed, or got organ harvested next moment, and he's speaking up.
Right.
We just interviewed him. I mean, if you still don't believe, I cannot do anything. I mean, the fact is here. It is what that is what's going on to Uyghurs and the world. You support you believe me or you believe them, Chinese Communist Party, or believe us or them. We as a victim, we can't have. I lost everything. What do you want else? I lie for what? I have nothing for like earn from you from the lying, right? I lost everything. I only have my wife and my baby here. That's all. I made it. I was like had nothing because of Chinese communists. I can't go home. I lost all my parents, relatives, my memory, the person I love, no connection. And I know two of my uncles got in concentration camp. Like he said, that guy, his son got in concentration camp because of he prayed when he was doing school. Like I have a lot of, I prayed too. That's why I run.
Yeah.
I prayed too. That's why I'm scared. I prayed in school. Of course, I go every single Jummah. That's why I don't feel safe. I run from China.
Yeah. Because they're never gonna allow you to.
Yes, he's saying basically saying I am here. That Guli Maksud is also a survivor from China. He joins a 2009 like a protest. Everything.
Okay.
Yeah, we have all enough evidence. If you don't believe, okay, if you still stand with evil, if you still like think, oh, China is not that bad, China has a lot of money, then it is your choice. But you gotta write them down to the history's very ugly page, with very ugly word. But I gonna die tomorrow, or he gonna die tomorrow, as a hero.
Right.
It depends on who you wanna be.
He's one of the few people, very few.
So I am really happy interviewed that guy, and I wish it worked well. Next time we can do more like more serious. We can list our question.
I think some people really wanted to get a lot of
I mean,
specifics
if you
from
still
him.
don't believe,
If he
you're
had,
asking, is there like forced marriage? Is there organ harvesting? Is there people come out from concentration camps? Well, there's a lot of people come out from concentration camps. They give testimony in United Nations, United States. It's enough. Why I have to give you a certain? I don't want to waste his time.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? But what I want to say here is he is under danger. We have to save him. That's what I want to do. He is under danger. He said maximum I can survive like homeless life without any danger, probably 3 months. I wish he never get caught. If God want to protect you, you can survive. And I wish we can do as much as we can. So every time I will just keep making video about him, and I will hope you guys will help us to share his story. We have to grab the world attention. The media, we don't have media. This is our only media. Other Uyghur channel, that's all we have. So, you want to listen us, or you want to listen Chinese Communist Party, it's up to you. It is a time we step out from the fear. That's why what we're talking about. Uyghur, we don't lie. We have religions, okay? We don't lie. We don't exaggerate stuff. If the liar things is Chinese Communist Party, they lie to the world from the beginning. You have to stay smart to recognize who is a liar. If anything I lie, what we describe is wrong, and it's fake, the history will, the time will prove
The
it.
truth will come out.
Yeah, we don't scare about it. That's why we're saying. You know, we're not the Chinese communists like is covering up things all the time. Shut them up because the Jews they don't want to keep you here. That's why they're always good at the cover things up. So, I mean, solid evidence from where he making those videos. You can definitely know he's a Uyghur. Okay, he's a homeless people, and we give interviews. We definitely try our best get more, ask him more and more evidence from him. But so far, that's what we have. We will plan this. We will run these things up. I wish everyone gonna participate and join our movement. You know, save Muradil or something. We will help him out. We should not allow another single Uyghur to get murdered by Chinese Communist Party anymore. We have to speak up.
True.
Yes.
One life is too much.
Yes. We definitely can save, if we believe we can save Muradil, we definitely can save him. Let Chinese Communist Party respond about it. Is there really something like that's going on? And we will plan even better for save his life. We have to think about it, come together. So join our Discord. If you want to check, if you want to talk, discuss about it, join our Discord. We open for everyone, as long as you're not just an asshole. We're talking about justice, okay? So we're talking about Uyghur man, the Uyghur man's life, Uyghur people's life. We're talking about the justice. We need the freedom. We don't want to, that guy basically don't want to keep hiding. He want to step out of the fear and describing what he saw, what he witnessed. If you don't believe. And if you still like hesitation, I can't help more than that. But I'm trying to gather more evidence. That's why I did live stream. I tried to show where he is, and right, we showed like he's a real person. He's a real guy from that YouTube channel. So guys, thanks for listening. Stay tuned, guys. Every time at 11 a.m. on Eastern time, I will do 2 hours stream, workout stream. That time I will keep update the situation of Muradil. So please stay tuned. Please share this. Please blow this shit up. And we have to attract to the media now. Our people just don't care about their life now. Finally, it's kind of really brief. A lot of Arab people, like some, I shouldn't say Arab people. I saw a lot of Muslim. Okay, they saw, oh, you guys coward. They told me, you guys coward. Muslims should fight. Muslims should when Muslim, if real Islam, he said like when people killing you, you should fight. Don't scare. Blah blah. Yes, there is a guy like that. What do you do? What you did? What are you doing? Can you help? Can you? Or is there? You need what? What else? Right? He is right there. He's solid.
He's fighting.
And maybe he will. Yeah, if he will get arrested or die, or I don't know. I can't even imagine. And you and me too. The viruses keep pushing up so close. We all gonna end underground one day. But before that, we should do the right things. That's what I told my Uyghur people too, Uyghurs too. Please, if you guys have good advice, just let me know. Just stay contact, stay active in Discord. We will save him. Yo, the life can't be better than if you help someone else, guys. Okay, there's a lot of Uyghurs. They always ask what we can do for Uyghurs. Here's people like maybe gonna die.
No, share his story.
Could you just share his story? Could you be a voice for us? Yeah, thank you guys. It's 11 p.m. right now here for tomorrow workout. I have to get up early, and Jerry gonna be also get up early too. And it's even late in his area. He's in New York,
Yeah.
so it's
2 a.m.
1 a.m. right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 a.m. right now. So I'm really happy. Even not too many people, but there's a lot of people staying. I wish we can do something for him. And I'm not asking anything for myself. For yourself, you will helping him. Okay, if we help him, put the flashlight on his head for on the internet world. Let's do it, guys. And thanks for you guys. And please stay tuned. Tomorrow 11 a.m. I will do a workout stream. We can talk more tomorrow about it. Thank you, guys. And you guys have a wonderful
Thank
day,
you.
a wonderful night. See you tomorrow, Jerry.
See you.